I look like a flasher. All right, well, my feet intentionally are fully soaked. Should probably be using my poles. I injure myself before I hike. Right there. Can't zoom in. Those are rapids. I don't know how deep that is. And there's really no way for me to access it, and it's probably not a good thing to try to do this time. Another stream crossing. That looks about 1.5 feet deep. Hey, nature! And then a fence. But like I was in nature for like a few seconds. Oh, God, you guys, I can't vlog. I'm gonna like kill myself. Now I'm into mud. Wow, ecosystem just changes so quickly. There's someone thinking I'm an idiot. That's all right. It's been worse. Ooh, my feet are cold. Yeah. To be quite honest, I actually think I'm lost. And there's no like, I guess I could map quest it, or oh my God, who has map quest? Ooh, you guys, look, it's a lake. We're definitely going through that. All right. Well, here's my stream crossing. Normally, I would not be doing it this way. So it's so difficult. I mean, the current is just, wow. Really gonna take me away, man. All right, whoever's hiking with me, get ready. I have some experience. I've been walking for a while now. Definitely feel my feet are a little clammy. Y'all, I can't remember what I was gonna say. Woo! Yeah. It's like Eagle Rock. Woo! God, I don't know what is in this water. Almost to the highway. The trees. Beautiful trees. Leaves. Tractors. Backhoes. Whatever. It's a novelty. I'll tell you that. Okay, so I was about to finish up and continue hiking and stop recording, but I want to show you our nature. There you have it, folks. Oh, there's some babies in there. Yeah, that's what I have to look at, but I'm grateful that I'm able to walk.